Hello everybody, this is Shannon from Tech Guy 95. Today we're going to be unboxing a pair of these jlab gowork wireless headsets. Now, my unboxing is kind of weird. I keep it for a few days to see if it really adds up, and it really does. I mean, first of all, these suckers have 45 hours of battery life. I'm not even kidding. I used them for about a week now, and I had to charge them like, let's see, I got them out of the box. They were charged up out of the box Sunday night, and Friday I had to charge them. So almost lasted a whole week. Yeah. So let's get to unboxing, shall we? Okay, let's see. And, I like how they did this, So the headphones are right there, and they have slots in this little box for the little cushion things for the ears. And by the way, these are the best. Because I used to have the headsets with cuffs. They used to get so hot, because it's hot weather. But these are a lot better right here. And I can see that weather, and they have adjustable wire mechanism right here. Okay, so you can put them over your head and like that, And this, they have a drop down mic, which I think is cool. And what I like about this is, look, it goes this way and it goes that way. So let me tell you this: you can put it on any way you want, and the drop down mic will be at your mouth any way you put it. Okay. Another cool things about these is multi-connect. Okay, they connect to two cell phones or one cell phone and one laptop at the same time, which I think is neat. And by the way, the only headsets I have that have had multi-port on them. I think that's new technology. I'm glad they came out with it, Okay, let's show you what else is in the box. Okay, this is it. Okay, we got a 3.5 millimeter cable. Now that's used to hook up to your laptop from the headset. And this is a USB-C charger. Yes, it's a USB-C type charger, which is really nice. I like USB-C. Yeah, better than the micro USB that I used to have. Anyway, that's it. And like I said, 45 freaking hours. 45 hours. Holy Toledo. That's all I have to say. Can't believe it. And like I said, these are cushion padded, and so they're better on your ears in the summertime. One feature that is it has a mic on and a mic off. So if you want to turn the mic off, you just press this and see here's the red light. Looked to me like a E.T. finger, E.T. phone home. No. Anyway, but then you can turn on the mic again by pressing this button, and it's on. Oh, it's on again. Okay? The only downside I see about these, the only one, is they don't fold. But I guess that's okay. I'll get over it. 45 hours battery. That's ridiculous. Now, I'm here to tell you it lasts all 45 hours. All of it. But, that's all I'm going to say about that. So anyway, y'all go to the YouTube menu, press like, subscribe, and smash that bell so you can get notifications on your cell phone whenever I make a video. It's going to be a good video whenever I make one. I guarantee. Anyway, thank you for viewing this video about the jlab gowork on-ear wireless headset with a drop mic. Oh man, that's a mouthful there, huh? Anyway, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks very much for viewing my unboxing. Bye-bye.